Okay, guys, Blackwood Vascular here again. Merry Christmas to everybody. And today's lecture is about um, vibratory tools and its effect on the arm. I just took out my Neotech 8105, which is essentially the cheap Chinese knockoff version of the steel chainsaw. But with that, as you can see, I've cut these tools. With that said, I lost about 2 teeth due to vibration. And my hand, my entire thenar and hypothenar eminence is just shaking like this. So people can develop Raynaud's syndrome where they have vasospasm in the small blood vessels like the little finger, etc., especially with cold. And Raynaud's can either be primary or secondary. This hand-arm vibration syndrome, HAVS, and vibration finger disease are 2 examples of this as a secondary cause. These are reasons you might want to see a vascular surgeon if you've been doing jackhammering and the other kind of vibratory work like this for many, many years. Is it still playing? Okay, so this is an example of how you end up with hand-arm vibration syndrome. My fingers are numb and tingling already, and the way to treat this is to stop doing this. This is the problem. The solution is to stop doing this job, whatever it may be, jackhammering or chainsaw work, and go see a vascular surgeon, get on a anti-vasospasm medication like nitroglycerin or diltiazem, and then warm your hands as much as possible. Here we go.